Hello Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, everybody. What's up my peeps? What's up people? You know it's your boy Mario here with a special guest. Jerome.
And me too, Kenneth.
Yeah, you know we have a very awesome episode for you today. You know, yeah, you know Jamaicans always do certain things that they can tell differently from other people. So this episode is about Jamaicans be like, I don't care the time is hot, yo, I gotta look cool. Jamaicans be like,
Baby love. Hello. Baby love. Shit. Hello.
Jamaicans be like,
Yeah, cool. Let me wash your face with the cake, so.
What on there? No sardine this.
Jamaicans be like,
Yo, my brother, you walk on.
Damn, Chargy.
Yo, walk on, man. Yo, you know you say Nicky a breed.
What?
Yeah, my youth. Me see her last night. Me say,
I tell.
real meds.
You know, me bitch on that.
Yo, me say, boy, Little John, you know.
Little John, yes, Little John.
Yeah.
Me say Michael.
Yo, you know, say me ask you the wickedest and the latest mix up them, yo.
I really my
But watch it, you know. Me say, I think I'll go on the road, you know, so I'll go on and look what I want. So
oh, yo.
Alright, they come.
Jamaicans be like,
Channel Star.
Jamaicans be like,
Beg a buy over here.
Oh yeah, Marcel.
Me have book. A school time
Yeah,
now. You
man.
have sugar. You have macaroni.
How much it is?
150.
150. So you have to go. So me go cheaper.
I work. Me have to work.
How much it is?
$100.
$100.
Mhm.
And $50 more.
No, tomorrow you come.
Alright,
Can't
then.
work.
Alright.
Pick me.
Alright.
And you see you come back.
Alright then,
Me
alright
$50
then.
for book.
Jamaicans be like,
Yo, Mario, don't watch a little pig in my kitchen yet.
What kind of little bit of plate there when someone at the table in the kitchen? Oh, me done them so quick.
Jamaicans be like,
You know, yeah, B.F.S. Me say to you in a long time, I see you now come look for me and think. Oh, love you now. Yo, me dip on the phone number.
Yo. You fool. Glasses.
Please, man, don't kill me, don't kill me.
Shirt.
Don't kill me, man, please, don't kill me, please.
Buy yourself.
Nothing else.
Jamaicans be like,
Yo,
Action.
I'm going naked.
Walk on peanut brain.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, dude.
Jamaicans be like,
Yo, I meet a pretty girl last night, you know,
Eh.
yo, me mash up the works, yo. Me dagger that, yo, me do.
If you not me step on that my youth.
What all some joke and thing, man.
Yo, me do that in my youth. You know, so that's how we do it.
Jamaicans be like,
Yeah, first time I vote, yo. This year, I'm such a life, yeah. No other people now, yo, I'm gonna see when Parry vote for yo. Yo, Parry, what go on, brother?
Walk on.
Yo, how we ain't vote for my youth?
Okay, umbre.
What?
Yeah,
Man,
man.
yo, I didn't miss it to you, know, my youth.
Eh.
Straight, I didn't vote for.
Wake up.
hey, thank you people for watching this week's episode on Bright Future Stars. That we have our special guest here, Jerome.
Kenneth.
So what I want you to do now is like this video
Comments.
and share and also subscribe. What you waiting on?
Bye-bye.
Go subscribe.
Okay.
Want more? You know, like a video yet, you know? Go like a video and subscribe.
Yes. It was good.
Go on.
You
Go on.
need to ring it.
Like.
Comment,
Share
and
subscribe.
Dream it, believe it,
Make it real.